Hey, I wanted to jump in here and talk a little bit about what you should do if worrying and stress and just thinking about things keeps you from relaxing. So the first is that I really do recommend the book How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. I'll put a link below the video. You can click over to the whole resource I have on how to be stressed less. But the other thing that I recommend, I wanted to tell a story. So I learned about this one from my wife, Val. Again, we started dating and I would hang out over at her place, and at the time she had a 3 CD changer. And so pretty quickly I had made her like a mix tape or a mix CD with a bunch of nice acoustic music, and then she'd have like a David Gray CD in there. But this thing would play through those and then it would rotate onto a CD called Sleep Solutions by Roberta Shapiro. And this Sleep Solutions CD, this lady has the most calming voice, and it's basically like a sleep hypnosis. But the CD would rotate, and all of a sudden we'd be hanging out in her place and I'd be like half asleep and there's like drool coming out my mouth, and I'd be like, Val, it went to the sleep CD. So we'd have to switch it back to one of the CDs that actually had music on it. The thing's effective. The other thing that I love about the CD, it has a little introductory part, and Roberta Shapiro, she says, "We do not recommend that you listen to this CD while driving or operating heavy machinery." And so I always got a kick out of that. But it has a first portion that helps you to fall asleep, and then it has a second portion that if you wake up in the middle of the night, you're supposed to go straight to that one. And so I've tried this at various times when I haven't been able to get to sleep. Last night I was having trouble winding down, and so I put that on and it just completely knocked me out. And so there are probably a million other options. I know a lot of people love the Headspace app. It probably has a sleep portion. There's tons of resources, but the one that I know works is Roberta Shapiro Sleep Solutions.